Okay, so the last time I saw you guys, the last actual comment I said on YouTube was we are buying 3 more Clios. We've actually sold one of the Clios we bought. So we bought a boosted RB Clio, which Jordan didn't want to sell. I didn't want to sell, but we didn't even advertise it at all. We thought we were selling a few other parts on eBay, and the guy came and wanted the Clio as well. So we took that. So actually, we don't have a boosted Clio anymore. We only have 2 more Clios left. The one I'm in actually now, we are trying to solve a situation because it has a slight misfire. It had a slight misfire, should I say. We have changed the spark plugs, the coil pack, the leads, and the injectors, and the rail. So we've done everything we can think of about this misfire. But now, when we start it, I'll start in a minute, and it doesn't actually sound like a misfire. It sounds calm to me, but I don't know if I'm just making excuses up. I don't know. So I'll start it up in a second. And the third Clio we have is the one Jordan's claimed. So it's his Clio, really. He has put it up for sale because it is such a clean Clio on low mileage. So I'll leave the link for it like down below. He had it recently passed. He's done quite a few things. Tyres. It's just cleaned the whole car up, or he's sorted all its problems it came with. So that is a good car. But yeah, the one I said, like I say, it's got a slight misfire. So start it up and I'll show you what we mean. See, it starts really smoothly, like really smoothly. I'm gonna get Arthur in. So we do have a problem. It doesn't sound like a misfire, or it doesn't?
It doesn't, it won't like it was. It's better.
Yeah, it was. I wish I got a video of it beforehand. You've not got a video of it, have you? No, and I know. We have got a buyer for this one, you see. We don't want to let it go, obviously. A bit rough, so we're a bit unsure what to do. So yeah, we're just hoping. We're just going to try and get to the bottom of it. It is, it's very smooth now, isn't it? I think we fixed it. I think it just needs a minute to run. Because to me that sounds fine now. Okay then, so we'll get that sorted. Please excuse all the tools and everything, toys, everything around here, because we are up there. We are getting an office all sorted out, and then we're getting a fake wall. And things are slowly moving for this place, aren't they? Yeah, like the car's come with a full history of like, it's just got loads of receipts, hasn't it, for everything that's been done to it. Like everything has been done.
Clean it, has had a new one more.
Yeah.
From the old to the new. Has had a new one. Just fix it really.
That's tight, isn't it? Yeah.
That's tight, that's it.
And everything's on properly, securely.
Yeah.
So it's not, we're not missing any bolts or anything, have we?
Yep.
No.
So what thing it could be? The timer's definitely not off because it looks so right.
Yeah. Oh yeah, clean.
It's not that. There's a bit of carbon outside of it, nothing serious.
No. So we're back to square one.
The plot thickens. I think it sounds.
I bloody hate Clio. I hate Renault so bad.
Will you stop it off, please? Thank you.
All of my Megans I've had, and my Clio actually. Crap, absolutely crap. All had electrical issues. You just like the lucky ones all the time. I haven't, I'm really bad luck. Moving on through the video. Are you saying hello? Are you saying that yet? This is Louis. Everyone's met him before. No, I'm joking. It's just little Lou. The MX-5 that I talked about that we have for sale. So it is up for very, very cheap because I just want to get rid now. It has obviously got, for its age, odd bits of rust around. To be fair, the arches aren't even that bad. Wheels in very, very good condition. A little bit of rust there. It's bubbling over here. But I generally just want rid now, like, just want rid. This has become the kids' like toy car. It's just not good. We have only been out in it once and we really, really enjoyed it. To the point that we didn't want it because we just don't want to drift anymore. We found it really hard, didn't we, Jordan? So until we have our drift days and drift lessons, we do not want to drift. So the MX-5 for now does have to go, as we are focusing on purely just for track at the minute. And we don't want to put all our fingers in too many pies. So the MX-5 has to go, which I will leave the link to that down below as well. I'm trying to sell you all my stuff here, guys. The only thing you're not buying though is the S1. Oh, and the 63's for sale. So if you are interested, that'll be linked below too. Sorted? Fixed? So our condition is fixed. Starting up again, let's see. To be fair, like they do run a little bit rough anyway, like they do. And that, to me, that's not even that rough. That's all right. I'm closing the case. I'm closing the case and it's fixed. So, MISFIRE fixed. But we've got a new issue. Oh yeah. Can you hear it? Because I can. So, we're just going to jack the car up and we're going to see what the issue could be. Right, so yeah, sorted the noise. Just need to tighten a few bolts up. And it was sound. MISFIRE sorted. Car ready to be collected. Other than that though, it's a clean car, isn't it? Like, very clean car.
I think so.
Like, all the wheels are really, really clean. The car itself is clean, other than a few stone chips on the front.
Not too bad.
No rust or anything on this, is there? Like it is. It's just 102k miles.
Just need cleaning.
Yeah, but apart from that, the car was sweet. And then moving away from the Clio, this is all the parts that we've got left of the A1, S1. And we still have the air ride as well available on the A1 if anyone's interested. But yeah, apart from that, that is the end of today's video, which is a little short one. To say how many cars we buy and how many fuck-ups we get to.
Yeah, it was a stress video.
Yeah, quite stressed. But yeah, so I'm going to leave it there today. I've got about 7 more videos need editing. So we are on with it because quite a few cars coming in that daily with a few problems that we like to get sorted. So yeah, I'm going to leave you there today, guys. I'm going to say bye and thank you for watching and I'll see you all very, very soon.